Hello, greetings everyone. I just want to quickly show you how you can go to Microsoft Learn and generate certificates after you complete a certain course. So if you are new to the platform, go to your browser and search Microsoft Learn, Microsoft Educator Learn or Microsoft Learn. If your internet is stable, it should take you to this landing page, and you pick the first web page. Now for the very first time you get to this space, you need to sign up. At the top right corner here, you'll be able to see sign in link. You click to the link and you follow the steps until to the point where you create an account. So as for me, I already have an account, and that's why you could see that once I click on the profile section, you're able to see profile, settings, sign out. Already I'm signed in. So assuming you want to take a course, this is a very rich platform for everyone, not only for teachers. So you can look at the products the system has right from this section here. If you're interested with let's say Microsoft 365 products, you could always go to this point and read more. The other section is career paths. Now career paths are the broad area of study, and so the system has different career paths, just like the ones listed here: administrator, AI engineer, all of them. So just check. If you're interested in being a developer, you could take course on that career path. So you could also browse all training courses and material. You could also see what Learn organization has. This is also something you can always explore. Now for the very best section for teachers is where we go to Educator Center. Now here you could read more on the overview. You could check on professional development, product guides, instructor materials, educator programs. So if you want to go to professional development as a teacher, you know teachers need to always learn, and learning is lifelong. So assuming I want to pick a course on student-centered learning, or STEM coding and esports, Microsoft instructional toolbox, I can also browse all and see all the courses that are under Educator Center professional development. So if this is the course you want to take, just click on it. This is AI for Education, and what happens is actually opening. You can see from the display. You could also browse all Educator Center trainings. That's what you want. Educator Center trainings, these are some of the main focus areas. You could talk of Introduce AI and Data Science in STEM Education with bits. So if that is what you really want to study, just click on that course and it will open up. So this is the course. You are given the overview here. Course takes 1 hour 8 minutes. Of course, the course, once you do the whole course, there is that part of assessment. You need to pass the assessment so that you can move to the next step. But if you don't pass till the pass mark is 80, you can always retake or do the course again. So you could start from introduction, you go to the section of AI, move around until to the end. So that's how you maneuver the platform in terms of accessing courses. Now, sometimes you have a session which is tutor-led or facilitator-led, and the tutor decides to give you a redeem code. So if you're given a redeem code, then what you need to do is go to your profile, the top right hand, click on profile, and then click the profile link as demonstrated here, and then now you scroll down, just scroll down as you check on the items written to the left here. You have activity, training, credentials, Q&A, achievements. So on achievements, this is where you click, and then you scroll down again. It's saying here achievements have an achievement code. Now if yes, then click here and bring the code. Just copy paste the code wherever it is and then redeem. So what does that mean? It means then this is a facilitator led course, and the facilitator has provided you with the code so that you can redeem the code and get a certificate as well as a transcript. Now assuming I want to like print the certificate or even the transcript, from the dashboard here you have the badges section, the trophies, reputation. Now this badge section, you will always see a number if you have done a course or you have deemed a code. So click the number and the badges. It will take you down. When you scroll down, you see there's several learning paths, several modules, several courses. If assuming you want to print a certificate, say on this course, which is Embark on Your AI Journey with Free AI Tools from Microsoft Education, what I need to do is here I get to this print icon here. The other icon is for share. You can share your achievement to your social media handles, but for this case you need to want to see the certificate and the print. So once you click there, it comes here. This is your certificate, very beautiful, already signed. And then how do you print it? You go to print. Now if you are connected to a printer, then what you need to do is just print direct from here. If not, you can always save as a PDF, then click save. It will take you to the saving location. You can decide whether you want to save on documents, downloads, and then perhaps you can print later when you are ready. So the same same case applies to transcripts. Go to transcripts. What you are able to see here are the transcripts, and transcripts are showing the detailed description of what the course was all about. So transcripts come as one document for all the courses and modules, but then you can always print them. You go to the print section again, save as PDF. Okay, just save like what you did for certificates, and then print later if that's what you want. You could print using a colored printer or even black and white. Yeah, that can also mean that you have the printout of what you are able to do under Microsoft Learn. So this is the sheet containing the transcripts. So that's how you go about it. Thank you. Hope this will be of great help. Thank you.